Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today I'm going to show you how to change the owner of your events on Google Calendar web application. So the first thing that you will need to do is to open your internet browser or your browser, and then you will search for Google. And if you're already using Google Chrome, you will find your profile picture here, and then you can go to your Google account, or you can search like here the Google account, and you can search for your apps and you will find the calendar. Otherwise, if you are using other browsers, you can just go for Google and search for Google, either the Gmail or any Google app, and by that you will find here your Google account. After you connect to it, of course, you will need to connect to your Google account so you can access to the Google Calendar. You click on the Google Apps, this icon, and then click on Calendar, and now you have the access of Google Calendar. And now all you remains is to follow these simple steps. So the first step to take is to create a new event, or you go to the event where you want to change your owner. And here I'm going just to create a new one, owner. I'm just going to name it like that. I'm going to click on save. So basically to edit an event, you need to click on it, customize or edit event, and then here you will find this view. And basically, we want to click on more action and go down, and here we will find change owner. You click on change owner, you will find here the list of your people, or you can just add the email of the new owner that you want to assign this event to, and then add a message to him. So you can just explain that you want to transfer the ownership of this event to him. You click on change owner and save, and basically the owner of your event will be changed automatically. So this is how you change your owner on Google Calendar web application. Thank you for watching and see you next time.